Hello everyone. In last lesson, we learned about linking sound, and now I will practice it. First, consonant plus vowel. 1. My watch is broken. 2. Left the good book. 3. The door is open. 4. My apple rests the food stand. 5. Have a swim in the pool. 6. Let's start the game. Read loudly these poems. English. Speak it. Write it. Read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. First you close this, then you lock it, and put the key back in your pocket. And busy. Work all day, done away, both and me, can't agree, fill a cup, drink it cup, why a why, work a my, meted, it, don't be late. And consonant plus consonant. Example. Good girl. Sister, good girl. Good boy. He's the good boy. White paper. I only use white paper. And vowel plus vowel. Me and you, 3, 4, 4. Then that's all. Thanks for watching.